Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully you all are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. I am your English teacher Sayyida Rabia Fayyaz and working in Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal. Before starting my video, I would like to share few objectives with you people. By the end of the video, students will be able to know about articles, use of articles, identify subject and predicate. Today our topic is articles a and the. My dear students, we all know about vowels and consonants. We have read it in our earlier classes. We know that the letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. All the other letters of the alphabet are called consonants. It is very important to remember this for the use of A and N. For the use of article, it was necessary to remember about vowels and consonants. So, we can identify articles like this. A, N and the are called articles. First of all, we will see about A and N. A and N are called indefinite articles because they are not used to refer to any particular person, place or thing. किसी भी आम चीज जगह या इंसान के नाम के साथ जो आर्टिकल्स यूज होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड indefinite articles A and N. First of all, we will see the use of article A. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant or consonant sound. For example, this is a ball. We will watch the word ball. Ball is starting with the consonant B. So we have used here a. This is a ball. Now we will come to number second sentence. My mother baked a cake. We will see the word cake. Cake is also starting with consonant C. So we have used over here a. Come to the third one. We heard a story. Again, the procedure is the same. It is starting with the consonant or consonant sound. So that's why we have used here a. We heard a story. Now, we will watch some other words as well. We use A before the words unicorn, uniform, European. Although the first letters of the words are vowels U and E, but when the words are spoken, the opening sound is that of a consonant. You can see on the screen, the sound is U, unicorn, uniform, European. So we have read that the words starting with the consonant or consonant sound, we will use article A with those words. That's why we will use A with these words. Do you understand? Good. Now we will see how we will use article N with words. N is used before a word that begins with a vowel or vowel sound. For example, I like an egg. We can clearly watch here that egg is starting with vowel. So that's why we have used here article N. They have an umbrella. Again the procedure is same. We used over here N. Number 3. We heard an owl hooting in the night. The next word of the article is starting with vowel. That's why we have used here article N. Now I will tell you some more uses about of N. You can see on the screen the word is written all, honest, honor. For though the first letter of each is the consonant H, but here H is silent. So When the words are spoken, the opening sound is that of a vowel. And when the word starting with the vowel, we will use article and with them. Understood? Now come to the third one, article. The name of third article is the. We use the before a noun when we want to speak of or refer to a definite or particular person, place or thing. It is called the definite article. जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में, इंसान के बारे में या जगह के बारे में बात करेंगे तो जो आर्टिकल हम उसके साथ यूज करेंगे दैट इज कॉल्ड द एंड द इज definite article. For example, the boy was playing football. Here we are talking about a particular boy who was playing football. Number 2, the subject I like most is English. It is also a discussion about a particular subject. The moon is bright. Here again we are talking about a particular thing. So it was the use of definite article the. Hopefully you all have understood articles. Now we will recapitalize our lesson. We will fill in the blanks with the correct articles. I will read the statement. I have dash uncle who lives on a boat. Who will guess the answer? Yes, the answer is Anne. I have an uncle who lives on a boat. Number 2, dash elephant has a trunk. It's very easy. An elephant has a trunk. Very good. Now come to the third sentence. This is dash time to play. Who will answer? This is our time to play because we have used over here because it can be any time. Number 4, dash man who stole her jewels has been caught. This is also a statement about a particular man, so we will use here the man who stole her jewels has been caught. So now hopefully you all have understood articles. Now we will take a step further and we will read about another topic, and the name of that topic is subject and predicate. It's very interesting topic. Students, you can watch a sentence on the screen. Here it is written, the empress smiled. This sentence can be divided into two parts. The first part, the empress, is called the subject. The second part, smiled, is called the predicate. So we can define it as subject, the doer of the action is called subject, and the rest part of the sentence is called predicate. It starts with verb or helping verb. In very easy language, you can say we can divide a sentence into two parts. The first part of the sentence is called subject, and mostly the subject is a noun who performs the action. The rest of the sentence is called predicate and it starts with the verb or helping verb. For example, birds fly in the air. Birds is a doer of the sentence and fly in the air is the action. So birds is subject and fly in the air is predicate. The girls sang sweetly. Again, the girls is subject and sang sweetly is the action. So it is predicate. Both my brothers made a box. Both my brothers is a subject and made a box is predicate because here verb is also present and it is also the rest of part of the sentence. We can do some practice here now. You are going to identify subject and predicate. Number 1 sentence, carpenters make furnitures. Who will guess that what is subject and what is predicate here? Yes, carpenters is subject because it is the doer and make furniture is predicate because it is the action of that doer and it is rest part of the sentence. Number 2, the boys ran down the road. Again, very simple. The boys is subject and ran down the road is predicate. Number 3, a man and a woman walked beside him. A man and a woman, again doer, walk beside him. The work or action of that man and woman, so that is called predicate. Well done. Hopefully, you all have enjoyed the lesson because it was very interesting and you have understood the use of articles and you have also understood subject and predicate. Now it's time for home task. I'm giving you a homework that you have to write 5 sentences by using correct articles. On the other hand, you are going to do some other homework as well because you were reading about 2 topics. You have to write 5 sentences having subject and predicate. So students, it was all from my side. May Allah bless you. Be happy, be safe and Allah Hafiz. Thank you.